Used to let all our worries, like a breeze to the fingers, slip away. Peace has come to us in Zimbabwe. The walls right on the one.
Socorro Church, Woodhouse church site, where we are having this program. It was our dream, the parish dream. When I came 4 years back, the parish dream was for me is this, just to have here a dancing floor, a cultural floor. And today, I'm very much happy for Saint Anthony Youth Association organizing this program, Musical Faith, for 2 days. It is not so easy. We are very famous in Socorro to organize different type of festivals. Paturenche Fest, Ambienche Fest, Ponasenche Fest, Kazunche Fest, and so many festivals. But like this is very difficult. For us it was very easy because participation of the parishioners was there. It's just being a last day. I hope that this group, St. Anthony's Youth Group, come together every year. You form yourself as a community and you come forward to present the beauty that is there for children, for the youth, for the parents, and especially for the senior citizen. I would like to say many things, but we have come here just to enjoy this evening.
Well, this fete is actually organized by St. Anthony's Youth Club. So we started this concept about 1 month back. It was a bit too soon, 1-2 months back. But still, we've tried to do our best. This is our first event and it turned out to be great success yesterday.